Infuse more and more sattvic energy. Infuse more and more powerful cognitions. Infuse more and more unclutching. Like a parrot, I wanted to repeat this 24 hours. Please learn unclutching. Please practice unclutching. Please learn unclutching. Please practice unclutching. Unclutching will help you to keep yourself mentally healthy. Through unclutching, you can avoid mental breakdown during this pandemic fatigue. Learning unclutching, practicing unclutching, you will have superconscious breakthrough. You can sail through this whole pralaya. I want to repeat all these like 1008 times. If you can, please make this as your ringtone. Unclutching will help you to keep yourself physically, mentally fit, active during this pralaya. Unclutching will give you superconscious breakthrough to survive this pralaya. I have so many wonderful things to teach to the world, but now immediately world needs unclutching as the survival need. How many people I'll be able to teach unclutching? Till December 14th, that many people I'll be able to save from this pralaya. It's not too late. Even now, every individual, we all reach out and teach them how to sit in Nirvikalpa Samadhi unclutched. We can save them. Understand? The most successful people from the delusional fields and industries are going to commit suicide. Because these delusions are melting down, their very identity is melting down. They don't want to live. When their identity is melting down, they feel death is much better than living without their identity. That is why you see so many suicides in entertainment industry. In every field. Melting down of human beings is inevitable during this pralaya. By teaching, unclutching and making them practice Nirvikalpa Samadhi, we can save individuals without melting down, without collapsing. If you are new to the satsang, please learn unclutching. The link is projected in the screen. Satsang's videos are available. You can learn unclutching. Please start learning and practicing. If you are already initiated disciple, Please reach out to your family, friends, as many people as possible. Whole world. Teach unclutching. Take this unclutching to the world. Take my words seriously. We can save human beings only by teaching them unclutching, helping them to sit in Nirvikalpa Samadhi. Nothing else can save human beings now from this pralaya, from this pandemic fatigue. And the way the world is collapsing in this pandemic fatigue, in this pralaya, last few days I am intensely working on reaching out to as many individuals as possible, teach unclutching to save them from this pandemic fatigue and pralaya. Paramashiva is continuously insisting on reaching out to as many people as possible, teach them unclutching, help them to unclutch, inspire them to unclutch, to keep themselves physically, mentally healthy, stable together. See, this pralaya which is happening is something unique, unheard of. Physically you are not going to die, but socially, economically, morally, mentally, emotionally, whatever you know as you and whatever you know as the world, both are not going to be there. Whatever you know as world is not going to be the same. Because of that, whatever you built as you based on the world you know as the world, because the world you know as the world has melted down, the you know as you will also melt down. Because much of the you know as you is built on the world you know as the world. Because the world you know as the world is melting down, the you know as you will also melt down. I sincerely request all the human beings to learn unclutching and practice it. I sincerely request all my disciples, not only you practice, start reaching out, teach people, understand? Paramashiva has given me this responsibility and he has ordained me to serve, help, assist the whole humanity to sail through this pralaya, this pandemic. I am doing this work as much as I can as humble service to my gurus, Paramashiva, Guru Parampara. Nothing more is a great service to human beings now than teaching them unclutching. Helping them to face this whole pandemic, pralaya happening in front of them. Socially, economically, morally, physically, mentally, what they know as the world is no more the same. Emotionally, human beings are horrified, terrorized. seeing what is going on around them. They need immediate, powerful spiritual solution, conscious solution, that is unclutching. That will absolutely heal everyone inside and outside and help you to settle down with the new evolving reality. Will help you to sail through this pandemic, this whole pralaya. Pralaya has not reached its peak. It will reach its peak by December 14th. Let's help. I sincerely request all the Kailasavasis, let's help as many people as we can by reaching out and teaching them unclutching, completion, oneness, ajapa of Mahavagya, deep feeling connection, yoga, puja, vegetarian diet, nirahara samyama. Let's save humanity by serving the humanity, by teaching unclutching, Nirvikalpa Samadhi.